The story begins somewhere in London town. Cricket's the name, Jiminy Cricket. I used to live in an apartment somewhere in this neighborhood. Well, one day, I moved away from the apartment and I'm trying to find a nice new place to live in. And then, I saw something curious. As I live and breathe, a fairy. When we first see each other, the fairy introduced herself to me. Her name was Tinkerbell. When I asked her where she come from, the fairy told me that she just wanted me to keep a secret between the two of us. So, at first, she gave me new clothes. Because of when I became, well, one of her best friends. So, in no time, she took me all the way to the mountains outside of London town. Tink figured out the magic words to help get us inside those mountains. The magic words are mystic magic at the center. Lift the entrance that we may enter. So, I hop in after her. Tinkerbell introduced me to her homeland. It was called the Enchanted Forest. She even introduced me to her friends, the animals of the Enchanted Forest. Or the animals of the forest for short. So there I met Maid Marian the Fox and her baby son, Todd the Fox. And so, Tinkerbell helped me move into a tree with her. I believe that Tinkerbell was the most beautiful creature I've ever met. I would love to move in and live with her. Cusco the llama was banished by his own kind because of his arrogance. Cusco went to visit his old friend, Maid Marian the Fox, who lived in her chateau. One day, Marian helped Cusco move to Pride Rock. Along the way, Tink also introduced me to another friend of hers, a mysterious fox who was called Robin Hood, unbeknownst to anyone that his real name was Robin of Luxley. Once there, the llama encountered the Lion King, Mufasa, and his pride. They befriended him and welcomed Cusco to their kingdom. After Little Simba's presentation, Cusco met Bagheera the Panther, who owns an animal orphanage, and his companion, Baloo the Bear. He also met Donald Duck and his pet monkey, Abu. Mufasa teaches Simba how to be king. Cusco and Donald Duck are tricked by Kaa the Snake, who took them to the Cave of Wonders. But Simba rescued his friends after they found a genie's magic lamp. The animals befriended the genie, who helped them escape from the cave. Simba and the genie went on a misadventure in a small neighborhood far from the Enchanted Forest. There, they encountered a human called Diana Prince, who goes undercover as Wonder Woman. At first, she rescued a little boy from a criminal. Then, it is revealed that she dislikes wild animals. Wonder Woman was about to do something mean to poor little Simba. Genie had nothing to do with it, so he defended him. Hope was running out. But then, a bulldog fought her off and chased her away. Come on, Carpet. Take us home. Simba was safe. Back in the Enchanted Forest, Simba rescued his best friend Nala from a running herd of elephants in an accident. Meanwhile, Simba's mother, Sarabi, comforts her cub. They also spend the winter in the little cottage. This is where they met a frog named Kermit. A month later, Scar, formerly named Prince Taka, betrayed his brother Mufasa and took over the throne. Simba went to live in exile. Sarabi sacrificed herself by defending Simba from a hunter named Slade.